Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting the hardware ready. Remove the battery cover, check cells, and swap them if they are below 20%. Next, plug in a Bluetooth 2. 1+ adapter if your PC lacks reliable radio. This reduces pairing errors. Once done, install the driver package you chose, either the Wii Connect 24 driver or a Zadig-ready driver tool, because Windows won't natively map motion and extensions. Make sure to keep the PC Bluetooth settings open. That's where you'll initiate pairing next. Once Bluetooth is active, press buttons 1 and 2 on the Wii Remote to enter discoverable mode and watch Windows detect a HID device. You then install and run middleware like Wiimote Hook or Glove PIE to bridge the raw HID input to game inputs. Follow the program's connect command and allow driver replacement if prompted. After pairing, open the mapping panel to assign buttons and calibrate motion axes. Make sure the nunchuck analog is centered, because accurate dead zone setup prevents drift in games. You finish by testing inputs in a controller diagnostic app. Press each button, tilt the remote, move the nunchuck stick, and confirm IR tracking if used. If axes feel jumpy, adjust dead zones and smoothing settings in your middleware. Once satisfied, save a profile per game to avoid repeating setup. If the controller disconnects, repair it, try a different USB port, and update the PC Bluetooth drivers. These 3 fixes solve most problems. And if you still see drift, replace batteries and recalibrate right away.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.